Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a side reach variation. Alternate extending one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left arm and leg. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.